Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.6 question number 1. Subtract question number A is rupees 18.25 from rupees 20.75. Right? That right. Let us write. This is question number A. The question is subtract rupees 18.25 from rupees 20.75. Right? Rupees 20.75 20.75 75 and we subtract 18.25 minus rupees 18.25 18.25 we subtract this one, that is 5 minus 5 is 0, 2 7 minus 2 is 5, this is 0.8992 carry 1 rupees, right? Rupees 2.50. This is the answer of question number A. Now question number B is 202.54 meter from 250 meter. Now question B is 250 meter, that is 250 meter, we can write 250.00 this meter minus 202 minus 202.54 202.54 meter 54 meter, right? Now we subtract it, you are getting 4 6 carry 1 5 and 6 4 carry 1 2 plus 1 3 7 carry 1 4 47.46 meter. This is question number B. Now question number C is subtract 5.36 from rupees 8.40. Question number C. Question number C is here. Question number C, that is rupees 8.40 rupees 8.40 minus rupees 5.36 minus rupees 5.36 5.36. That means you subtract it 6 4 carry 1 3 and 4 0 5 603 rupees 3.04. This is answer of question number C. Now question number D. Question number D we will solve here. Question number D is 2.051 kilometer from 5.206 kilometer. 5.206 kilometer minus 2.0 2.051 kilometer 1 kilometer. You will subtract this one. Therefore, if you subtract this one, you are getting 6 minus 1, that is 5. 5 carry 1 1 2 5 minus 2 3 3.155 kilometer. This is the answer of question number D. Now question number E. Question number E is you have to subtract 2.1077 kg minus 0.314 kg. We subtract, we will get 7 minus 4 is 3, 1, 9, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4, right, 4, 7, 11, carry 1, that is 1.793 kg. This is the solution of question number 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.